Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a Christmas tree. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. Now we're going to start by folding the whole thing in half. Now we need to bring the bottom up to the top. Now we're going to fold this edge back down about this much. So if you were to fold it up in thirds, these should be about equal. So I fold it down like that. Next we're going to fold this corner down, and the fold is going to start from the center at the top and go all the way out to this corner underneath right here. We'll bring that over and we'll fold it underneath these layers. Just like that. And you can see where it goes underneath. And do the same thing on the right side. Now this one will extend past this edge up top, so we're just going to fold that under. Next we're going to bring this edge over to the right, and as we do that, this little pocket in here is going to open up. And it should turn into a triangle until it looks like that. And do the same thing on the right side. And then turn the whole thing over. And we are all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.